Okay, so let's see. So you click on that, then you make sure it's inside the whole plan. So we're going to convert it to PDF. So for the print area, make sure it's McQueen area, and then for the print range, okay, you make sure it's all. Then you make sure the scale is fitting to the page. And then we got page settings there. And for the size, make sure it's oversized there. There you go. And then for instance, I'll use Adobe, and then I'll print. So make sure it's also portrait, then you print. And then we'll have to wait as it's printing, so you'll have to edit the file name. I'll use the ground floor, ground floor, ground floor. So it's creating a Adobe PDF. So read the entire document. Then you click start. So the document now has been created. So you can do anything with your document. You can print. So you can save first, save as. Documents. I'll change the name to how to convert plan, floor plan to PDF. But this one is Archicad floor plan. So make sure Archicad floor plan. For instance, I'll take mine to be able to convert Archicad floor plan to PDF. It's not okay. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.